Joy Velvet Advanced Night Repair will replenish and restore your skin while you sleep. This advanced formula includes ingredients like hyaluronic acid and Pacific sea kelp. These ingredients are known to hydrate the skin. Velvet penetrates the skin, hydrating deep into the skin. Velvet Advanced Night Repair works best at night when the skin's cellular renewal process is the most active. This moisturizing night cream restores radiance while reducing the appearance of fine dehydration lines. Translation? This means it gives you a more youthful appearance. When you wake up, you're looking rested and refreshed. So you will receive the product in this beautiful opaque purple sheer bag. It's also nice to save and reuse the bag. So here's the box and the product inside. I really love the packaging. Here's how to use Velvet. After cleansing, apply a small amount to skin with your fingertips. Massage evenly in an upward circular motion to the face, and make sure to apply it to your neck as well. All of the Joy products are designed to work together. We recommend prior to your evening application, use Afterglow Advanced Cellular Rejuvenation Serum. Thanks again for your friendship. We appreciate you.